In this video, we're unboxing the 61-piece thread repair tool set. The thread repair file, the taps, the dies, the thread pitch gauge. The following are the tools required for using the 61-piece thread repair tool set: 17mm wrench, 15mm wrench, the imperial repair tools with fractions, the metric repair tools with hole numbers, with labeled thread diameter and pitch. Now let's move on to how to use the tool to repair the damaged thread. When we don't know what the pitch of the damaged thread, we can use the thread pitch gauge to measure it. Let's take out the tool. You can see it has sawtooth on it. Then use the damaged bolt and start checking. If it doesn't match, change another one until find the right pitch. After going through a bunch of measuring, this pitch gauge still can't measure the thread pitch. So we know that this one marked this way are imperial thread pitch gauges, while this ones with this marking are metric. We can also notice there's a marking on the pitch gauge. That's the thread pitch specification. Now, let's move on to the metric pitch gauge measurement. After measuring, this bolt has a 1.5mm pitch. We can see it marked 1.5 here. Since this bolt is size of M10, once we've got the measurement, we need to find an M10 times 1.5 die. After looking around, we use the metric M10 times 1.5 die and thread it onto the bolt. Use the 15mm wrench and the 17mm wrench. Repair the bolt. Put the 17mm wrench on the die and the 15mm wrench on the bolt. Then turn it to chase the threads. Once that's done, take the die off. Fixing damaged threads on a nut works the same way as on a bolt. First, measure the nut's pitch with the right pitch gauge. Then use the correct tap to repair the threads. Use the same method to chase the threads. Now let's move on to how to use the thread repair file. Before using the file, we still need use thread pitch gauge to measure the pitch. There is number marker here as well. The rubber handle can be removed. Once found the right thread pitch, repair the threads. For example, if the bolt has a 1.5mm pitch, use the 1.5 section like this and repair the threads. This time is just a demonstration. Actual use may have some differences. Please pick the right tools to use